Okay, there you go. There's your back flush at this undisclosed location. Let's put it back together. They need a quick check here. Okay, it is apparent I'm about ready to tag this. I got the water back on and hopefully that water will stop. There's always something. But that's what we got here at this undisclosed location. Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. Today we got to open up an alarm valve. We're doing a 5-year inspection. So let's do this. Bright light, bright light, bright light. Should have my impact gun maybe. But I like to do things by hand. So it's 3, 6, and 6. I number the bolts. For some reason it doesn't count. 6, 4, and 1. I think these have been taken out a lot. All right. 2, and 5. Now I take my screwdriver, hammer, go right there. All right. Gasket looks good. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's cut this camera right here. Cut. Okay, it is apparent that I got the inside of this checker open. This alarm valve. I'm looking at the gasket. The gasket looks good. You see that? Do you? Okay, that looks good. The clapper's all clean right there. So I'll take a picture of that. Okay, I made a little bit of a mess here, and it's always by these electrical rooms. So let's put this thing back together really fast or really slow, whatever you prefer. So let me get my sissy mitts back on. Sissy mitts. Now get this. So yeah, wipe this all down real good. That looks good. This is 4. This is 1. Okay, get these things lined up is a little tricky. I don't want to cross thread it. Come on, baby. 5. Okay, there's that. You want to start. There you go. 3, 2. Okay. There's 2. And you want to tighten these up uniform. Okay. Uniform. Oh, hold that water in. Let's tighten, tighten, tighten. 1, 2, 3. There's that. And then let's get that cinched up. There's that cinched up. And then we go over here to 1. Tighten the bottoms up. Try to keep the water off the flow switch. Okay, top, bottom, top, side, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 6. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's go one more time around. That feels good. Don't need to be super tight. Now I have my little towel here. Dry all this electrical. Get a dry towel and dry all that up. Okay, there's a little bit of mess I made. Let me turn on the old flashlight. You can see it wasn't bad. A lot of times when you open up those alarm valves, they want to keep leaking. And this flow switch, they have another flow switch, but this should be above the check valve. I guess it's okay because the inspector's test is above that, so. But yeah, there's the drain and there's the flow switch. I like the flow switch up there. Anyway. Okay, I'm filling it up slow. I got the peg, the flow switch pegged, and I installed new gauges. Whenever you do a 5-year, you install new gauges and you date them. That's the date, the month and year. And here's the alarm plate that I just took off, and we'll wait for that to get pressurized and we'll check to make sure it's all dry. And then we'll test our alarms. But you always want to put your company name up there and put your company gauges. All right, it's filling now. Let's go see how much water's bleeding out. The inspector's test. See if all the air is coming out. Should be able to see it shooting out there. Yep, there it is. It's shooting out. Let me zoom in for you. Yep, you can see it. All right, let's go close it. You don't need to see this plate. Okay, here's the inspector's test. And that thing's dry too. Sometimes that thing starts leaking in the wall right at the packing. All right, there you go. Give it an extra little crank. Oh yeah, that's good. Pretty dark in here. Okay, the water's back on, fully pressurized. The flow switch still pegged. I'm gonna leave that flow switch still pegged because I'm gonna get an open drain test. So we're starting out right there. You can see it's 60 pounds, a little less, we'll call it 59. And then I gotta get an open drain test all the way open and see what that is. So if you wanna watch, you can. Here we go. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Here, full drain test, 60. Okay, 59, 49. So we'll write that down here. 59, 49, and we went back to, we'll call it 58. 58. Bottom pressure returned to 60. Okay, there you go. One flow switch. Oh, one flow switch. One main drain test. Let's get that sign just right. Yep, now we're back to, it looks like it was 58, but it went back to 59. So 59, 59. All right.